Hi, welcome to question 6 of my workshop. Now, I will not have a question 5 video because it's quite similar with the one that you have on my previous full factorial video. So please go watch the full factorial methods and calculation in my full factorial videos. If you have any issues, you can come over and see me for full factorial questions. Now this one, as you can see on your screen now, is question 6. The question 6 deliberately says about Taguchi method. So in exam, if this come out, I will say it is Taguchi method. So use Taguchi method calculation. So I've also uploaded Taguchi method on times. They're on YouTube as well. Right. So let's do this. So in this question, it is similar to the one in notes, right? About a tool cutting edge. But the one that is different is this data. The strength is data, right? So the calculation is still the same. We are using average. So now I put both of these two tables here. So first, you must calculate the factors and interaction. We want to find which one is the main factor, which one is the main interaction. To calculate this, you must find the level 1 and level 2 average. So I will not go through all of them because I've discussed this in the notes that I've uploaded on YouTube. But let's say if you want to have factor A and factor A at level 1 average. So we go to factor A. So in factor A column, you can see that these 4 are for ones because there are multiple number ones, and these 4 are for factor number 2. So therefore, all you need to do is go to the strength part. These 4 plus them and divide by 4. This is 4, 2. And this for 18 plus 23 plus 7 plus 12 is for level 1. Right? So you have over there. So for level 1 is average is 15. For level 2 is 21. So do this, and once you have all of this, you can see that you can minus level 1 to level 2, minus them, and you get these results. Right, so let's discuss about this result. So let me erase this one. Let's use another color, maybe the blue color. Look at these factors A, B, C, and D. Right, here is 6, negative 14.5, 3 and negative 5. The biggest value belongs to B. Even though it's negative, it is still the biggest magnitude. So B is your main factor. And B has a negative value. That means if you have B level 1 to level 2 increase, your tool cutting edge process will drop. So we must not have B going high. But as you can see, A is positive. And what is this? C. C is also positive. That means you can go higher for A and C. For D, it is negative. That means you must not go higher. So for the interaction between, let's use another color, AB, AC, and BC, all of them are positive value. Sorry, not that one. Positive, that means all interaction have positive output in terms of their own entity, right? So which one is your main interaction? This one, AB is your main interaction, right? Main interaction. So from here, you can draw the response graph. So you must draw this. I will ask this explicitly in the final exam. So using these numbers there, you can plot them. To do this, you can find it using my notes. Let's use a purple color now. From A, it increased. For B, it decreased. For C, it increased. For decrease. So here is a positive gradient, negative gradient, positive gradient, and negative gradient. That means for B and D, you must never go higher level. For A and C, you can go higher level, right? It will be the same as this one. Okay. Then take the highest points for all factors. Let's use the black color. So therefore, the best combination to do a tool cutting edge test is A2, B1, C2, and D1. Right, this is the combination for best tool cutting edge test analysis. So you can read all these results there. If you have any issues, you can come over and see me, ask for more explanation, right? So as you can see here, the combination is given and it's the same as this one. But you must draw the interaction graph. You have AB, BC and AC, where I have discussed extensively how AB, BC and AC is calculated, not using this table, right? Not using this one, but using these columns, right? Looking at the individual columns and see where that it has level 1 and level 2 combination. So if you want to know, go watch my video for Taguchi method. And if you have any more questions, just come over and see me during my consultation hour. Right? So from here, you can plot, right? You can plot your graph. As you can see here, none of them has interaction. Okay, none of them has interaction. AB and AC technically have good output, they will increase, but BC is going to be drop a bit. As you can see, that is a negative gradient. So as you can see, I have all the answers here, what they are. And for the evaluation of the combination, there are no interaction happens in this graph. If there are no interaction happening in this graph, there is no need for us to find any combination. In the Taguchi method video, we have to redo the combination because one of them have interaction, right? Watch the video and you know what I mean. But none of them have interaction here, and therefore there is no need to do a recombination, and the original combination A2 plus B1 plus C2 and D1 stays the same, right? So technically these are the way for you to answer my exam questions if they come out. You only have 3 questions of 8 questions depending, are you coming from data management analysis or are you coming from computer application for engineering class of mine, right? If you have any issues, come over and see me during my consultation hour. I wish you good luck for your exam. I have a lot of workshops there available on times. Please read them, study them. Some of them are in Excel files or Google Sheet file. Use the formulas, to calculate them. It's also available on time, right? They're so easy. The evaluation part is going to be a bit tricky, right? Please come and see me if you like. I wish you good luck in the exam again, twice, maybe thrice. Good luck in the exam. Bye.